Crypto companies are tempting top talent away from big tech to build Web3. Well, we saw this. I've seen this happening as people on my Twitter feed announce their new jobs at whatever Web3 firm and start going to the variety of, they start writing GM on their Twitter account every morning.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, that's what's going on now. You know, we're going to be left in the dust. Well, guys, we're dinosaurs, me and you.
Yeah.
We're sitting over here stuck in Web 2. We're 2D. We're two-dimensional over here.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, everything else is 3. It's 3D. Metaverse. You and I would just be talking over here.
Mm-hmm.
Like a newspaper or something.
Well, crypto companies, they have the money for it, right? They have the big bucks.
I'm just joking around. We'll do what it takes, Will. I'm joking around. We'll do what it takes, whatever it takes. That's what we'll do.
Yeah, I'm hopeful.
Crypto companies like Polygon and Circle are hiring top talent from big tech firms, enticing them with the pitch of working on the next big thing. The Web3 movement proposes overhauling the internet in a way that would move online services over to decentralized technologies like blockchain. Tech executives are being drawn to the crypto industry due to its rapid growth and lucrative compensation packages. Don't forget that part. Talking about money, Mo.
Some crypto money.
More money, more problems.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
That was a raspy response, Mo. That was a really raspy. What are you, Clint Eastwood? What are you, Clint Eastwood? That's what I'm talking about.
Static.
It's Mo Eastwood over there. Yeah, of course. There's like some kind of crazy multiplier on Web3, and anyone who's paying attention to this NFT bonanza. Executives at tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Amazon are quitting to take jobs in the buzzy world of crypto. Everybody wants something new. They're like, COVID's over. What's new?
Remote? Cool.
Let me do something else. Blockchain platforms such as Polygon and Circle hired top talent from tech firms. Ryan Wyatt, that's the one I'm talking about, left YouTube earlier this month to lead a new gaming studio from Polygon. He was doing YouTube gaming. There's a couple other people, I think, from YouTube who left. I presume you've got people potentially from Facebook or Apple even, Amazon, this variety of companies. If the right offer comes up, I mean, it obviously isn't without its risks, but certainly people in tech jobs, they want to be a part of working on something new. I mean, there's going to be a resistance. Some are going to say, get out of here with your Web3. But others are going to be like, let me see what I can do.
Mm-hmm.
There is money floating around, right? That's where these offers, like the crypto thing is lucrative for some. Mm-hmm. It has been to this point. Does that mean it's going to be everything, the whole world? That's the thing about this Web3. Or does everything else still exist and it remains this kind of extra component?
Sure.
Is it all encompassing? Does it completely overwhelm and replace? I mean, the name Web3 seems to imply that it does. Maybe it does. Mm-hmm. So once again, we're talking about time scales here, and you're trying to time it correctly. And you could probably leave your old job too early, or you could leave your old job too late, depending on how you perceive these technologies.
Yeah.
So good luck to those involved. But yeah, I mean, definitely stuff going on.